In today's video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT on your laptop or computer without installing anything. You start by opening your web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser of your choice. For me, I'm using Chrome browser. So you come to the search bar, you type chat.openai.com. You enter. So it is open now. You can see it. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free. So I think I'll be signing up for free. So you can still ask ChatGPT anything without logging in. So but let's sign up for free so we can get the full package. So we sign up here. So you can use either your email or your Google account. So I'm going with Google. I'm signing up with Google. You can see there, continue with Google. So I will just continue here. Just be tutor. You type in your full name. Type in your full name. Put your date of birth. Then you continue. So you can see here it is open for you. So they will ask you, what do you want to use ChatGPT for? You can either answer this question or you skip it. So I'll be skipping it for now. Skip to continue. So now my ChatGPT is ready because I've signed in for free. So I can just give ChatGPT any prompt or ask ChatGPT any question. Let me ask it, what is the capital of France? You can see it has given me the answer straight to the point, Paris. Or you can ask ChatGPT any question of any kind. You can give it any task of any kind and it will deliver for you. So that is how to use ChatGPT for free without installation or installing anything at all. You can just use it on any of your web browser. If this video have helped you, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.